HAARP theory. The weather machine and mind control. Have you ever heard of it? Sounds like the name of an electronic band, right? But the truth goes much deeper. HAARP stands for High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, a program that started in the United States, in Alaska, supposedly created to study the goal was to better understand the upper layers of the atmosphere and how that could improve communication and tracking systems. But, as always, when advanced technology and military funding are involved, conspiracy theories start to boil. Some even claim that events like Hurricane Katrina, the tsunami in Indonesia, and the wildfires in California may have been triggered or intensified by HAARP-type technology. Too much of a coincidence. In Haiti, shortly before the devastating 2010 earthquake, witnesses claimed to have seen flashes in the sky and felt unusual pressure in the air. What if the extreme weather we experience today isn't just a result of global warming, but of an invisible war between world powers using the very planet as a battlefield? The same pattern appeared in other natural disasters. Now, what's really behind all of this? Officially, HAARP was just a scientific research project funded by universities, the US military, and some government agencies. And many signs suggest it is. Would you trust that this machine is being used with good intentions, or have we been manipulated for a long time without even realizing it? For years, independent scientists, investigative journalists, and even ex-military personnel have raised a disturbing hypothesis that HAARP is actually a weather manipulation weapon. That's right, a machine capable of creating storms, hurricanes, extreme droughts, and even earthquakes. Why? Control, economic, political, and social. According to some research, the electromagnetic waves emitted by HAARP at extremely high frequencies could interfere with the human brain, emotions, thoughts, behavior. They say it's possible to induce states of collective anxiety, depression, fear, and even mass aggression. You know those days when it feels like the whole world is losing it? Maybe it's more than just coincidence. If you can manipulate the weather in a region, you can destroy crops, cause energy crises, and force mass migrations. In other words, you can control entire countries without firing a single shot. And this isn't just internet theory. There are declassified documents and witness reports suggesting that ionosphere-altering experiments caused unexpected effects on the ground. But there's an even darker side to this story: mind control. And there's more. Some areas have reported mysterious lights in the sky, unexplained noises, and strange ground vibrations. Now imagine this. What if this technology has been secretly tested for decades, and like a conversation between friends, I ask you honestly, if all this were true,